Okay, congratulations Japan sa inyong napakalaking production sa buwan ng Oktobre. Na-expect namin na this coming November is masahadaw kayo at mas makikita na ng buong Philinvest International ang totoong lakas ng samurai ng Japan.
Arigato! Sa Japan team, congratulations sa inyong test performance. We are hoping and we're looking forward na sana mas madagdagan pa yan. Pati Ellie, sana ang pangako mo.
Congratulations for a job well done for your 50 million.
From Paris team, congratulations and good luck to Japan.
Congratulations, Japan team, for a job well done!
So, looking forward to see you very, very soon.
And we will see you in Aga.
Magkita-kita rin tayo dito sa Europe. Sana mabisita nyo kami dito sa Europa.
Congrats again, Japan.
Congratulations, Japan, for your 50 million.